All right, I'm getting ready for a new experiment today. And as you see, I've laid everything out. And I'm ready to begin cooking my first egg. Now, one thing I've learned is where to begin. Just in case. Step one, getting the toast ready. All right. Light stove set on 4. And now apply bacon. The boss says I have to have a little grease. So, bacon grease. I'm supposed to put this bacon in here. Let it sizzle and brown. Up! Toast is ready. Looks to me like the easy part. Well, actually, it's probably the hard part. That's usually what Jane has me do, is the toast. All right. So far, really good. No fire. Well, so far, I like the sound. And I like the smell. The only fire at this point is where it belongs. Okay, I'll be back. Oh, I see an empty grave. Oh, there we go. Back to cooking. I think my singing's about as good as my cooking, and who knows? I may feel a calling here in a little bit to start a restaurant. That's not burnt, that's browned. Yep. Browned just perfect. Now comes the fun part, eggs. So far so good. Eggs are busted and in the pan, not on the floor, not on the counter, not on the table. Shells, spatula, and everybody knows if you're gonna cook an egg right, you gotta have the yolk busted and hard. Anybody that doesn't bust the yolk needs miracles. Okay, so far, so good. Only fire, right there. I'll get back with you. A little salt, a little pepper. See? Look at that. Yep, before long, I'm gonna be able to have a part-time job. Short order cook or something. I feel an appetite coming on. Check that out. Oh, well, I'm not so good at videoing and cooking, but I'm working on it. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, woo! Look at that. You may think I was hollering because I was excited about the cooking. Actually, while I was videoing, my finger touched the pan. That's something you do not want to do. All right. So far, so good. Now, if I remember right, she said, leave the pan on there to cool and then put it in the sink and wash it. Okay, I'll be right back. Bye. Oh yeah. Can you see it steaming? Ha! Tailor-made from heaven. No mess, no fire. Bye.